Friends, if your mango plants are not flowering or fruiting at all, 8 years or 10 years old plant, but this is not at all flowering, then what you can do, which treatment you can do, I'll show you in this video. Just see, for different regions there may not be flowering or fruiting at all. First thing you have to do, you have to fertilize it properly. So how you can fertilize it in this way, and sometimes this gamosis problem occurs, and how you can prevent or how you can cure the gamosis problem in mango plants, that I'll show you by treatment, which treatment you can do and in which way you can do. You can see this is gamosis problem, all the bugs are already rotten, so you have to remove these rotten bugs, and how to treat it I will show you in this video. Just watch the entire video. This is the plant around 8 years old and is not at all flowering or fruiting. I'll show you, for guarantee you can get flowers and fruits as well. So you, in September or October you have to fertilize it properly, but since it is already late, I'll fertilize it properly. So how to fertilize a mango plant? Just around the 2 feet or 3 feet away from the main stem of the mango plant, dig a hole around 8 inch deep and 1 feet wide. Some dig here, soil here, and after digging it properly with a spade, just watch what I am doing. This is a round shaped dig I have done. Then how to fertilize it and how you mix a fertilizer. Application of fertilizer. First thing I am adding 800 gram super phosphate. 800 grams super phosphate. This contains lots of phosphorus. Phosphorus is very much needed for flowering, fruiting and rooting. And then I will be adding 400 gram of muriate of potash. Potash is best for flowering and fruiting. So if you want, you can add sulfate of potash, or if you have muriate of potash, then I am adding 400 gram of muriate of potash. Mix it properly. And for mango fruiting, sulfur is very needed for flowering and properly. So I will add some sulfur source also. Here I will be adding some magnesium sulfate, that is called Epsom salt. So I am adding here 300 grams of Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains magnesium as well as sulfur. So magnesium sulfate, Epsom salt, you can get from any of the chemist shop or any of the agricultural shop. You can buy it and then mix it. So in total it is around 1 kg 500 gram mixture of fertilizer. Then how to apply this fertilizer? Just watch how we are adding this fertilizer to this plant. So sprinkle around just the hole you have digged up here. Sprinkled around the all 1 kg 500 gram of fertilizer here. So you have to do it in the month of September or October. This is the best, but since it is late already you have done, then we are adding around 10 liters of water. 10 liters of water we are adding here. And then after application of water, you have to cover the whole dig with the same soil, and then after 4 to 5 days again water it for around 10 liters of water. So after watering properly, we are filling up the just the drench, we have the round, and cover it with the same soil. So this is the all of fertilizer application in this mango plant. If you want, you can do some other way also, but this is the basic of application of fertilizer. Second thing is treatment of gamosis. Gamosis is a severe disease that is basically called by different types of fungus. So this is, you have to treat it properly. Just remove the dead and rotten bark from here and remove all the damaged part here. You can see all the fungus infection, and all the blackened portion you have to remove with the knife or with a sickle. You have to remove. And here you can see with the insect, a big hole, deep hole is done by the insects attack also. So you have to control some insects also with some insecticide that I'll show you which insecticide you have to apply. So this is the condition. Now we will remove the all the dead portions, brown portions we have to remove with a sickle, just to clean up the all the way so that no fungal infection remains there. So clean up properly, removing all the dead barks, and then I am applying insecticide. This is Profenophos. Profenophos insecticide 1 ml per liter. Profenophos insecticide 1 ml per liter. This is a 2-liter sprayer, so we are adding 2 ml of insecticide. Then spray it in all the around. If you want, you can spray the whole plant. You can spray so that no insect infestation, especially the leaf hoppers or these kinds of thrips or these types of mites attack. You have to apply this insecticide properly. So this is the end. Now how to treat the gammosis? You have to take Blitox or copper oxychloride. This is the chemical name. This is a very good fungicide, copper oxychloride. Make a paste of it, maybe in the name of Blitox or in the name of blue copper. Make a paste of this one and paste it on the whole the infected and affected portions properly. Apply the whole portion. If you want, you can add some sticker on it so that they can remain for a longer period. So here also we are applying this copper oxychloride fungicide. Now for the stem, no severe infection for fungal or bacterial infection, we are application Bordo mixture. This is a mixture of copper sulfate and calcium hydroxide. That we are taking 100 gram of copper sulfate, and then we are adding calcium hydroxide, that is lime, around 100 gram. This is for the application of the base of the stem so that no fungal infection can occur. And this is the beautiful fungicide as well. You can control all the bacteria here. So mix it properly, separately, 2 mixture, and then mix the 2 solutions here, 2 mixtures here together. So after mixing this properly, this is called Bordo mixture, and you have to apply it on the basic portion of the stems from the at least 2 to 3 feet height. You have to paste it so that no further fungal infection or bacterial infection can occur. You can apply properly. If you want, you can add little bit of sticker also. So this is the application here. So our garden expert Montu Ghodai is doing all these processes. So this is the process. In every fruit plant, you can apply this Bordo mixture so that no fungal infection can reach the top portions. So here now we are applying Mancozeb fungicide 2 gram per liter. Mancozeb fungicide we are adding 2 gram per liter. So you have to spray it on the whole the plant, all the leaves, all the stems you have to spray so that no fungal infection can occur, because this is the hindrance of fungal infection, is a hindrance of flowering in this plant. So if you apply it once or twice a year, there won't be any fungal infection, so that if the flowers come, the flower will not be rotten with this fungus. So we are applying Mancozeb fungicide 2 ml, 2 gram per liter on the whole plant, on the lower side of the leaf, upper side of the leaf, all the stems. You have to spray this fungicide. This is very nice thing for growing mango plants. So now we are applying some Miraculon PGR. you have to apply any PGR so that the flowering can occur properly. This is the PGR which boosts the flowering in plant. 1 ml per liter we are taking Miraculan. So Miraculan will be spraying on the whole the plant so that the new flowers can come and new fruiting can occur. So this is the fifth thing, very important thing. If you can find any of the PGR in your area, you can spray that one and you can see the miracle can occur. And those plants which are not flowering at all, if you grow this all these 5 procedures, then certainly there are 99% chance flower will start, fruiting will start. So this is the basic process of mango growing in any area. If you apply this all this, then mango plant will be nice. So hope you find this video valuable, and thank you so much. So nice of you.